Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Big Soy. This is your own Panchami speaking. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic that's set to change our future. The big question that's buzzing in the tech world, AI, artificial intelligence versus quantum computing. Who will dominate? Or is it something else entirely? Let's explore this together. First, let's talk about AI. AI, simply put, refers to machines or systems that can think, learn, and make decisions much like humans do. You interact with AI every day, from your smartphone's voice assistant to the recommendations you get on Netflix or even self-driving cars. AI's incredible power lies in its ability to quickly analyze massive amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even predict future trends. It's truly making our lives smarter and more convenient. Next, let's understand quantum computing. Now, this is where things get really mind-bending. Unlike regular computers that use bits, which are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits can be 0, 1, or even both at the same time, thanks to something called superposition. This unique ability gives them exponential power, allowing them to solve incredibly complex calculations in mere minutes, tasks that would take even the most powerful supercomputers thousands of years. Imagine breakthroughs in medicine, accurately predicting weather patterns, or even designing revolutionary new materials. That's the potential of quantum computing. So, who's the real winner? The big question then is whether AI will conquer quantum or vice versa. The truth is, it's not really a battle where one wins and the other loses. It's more about synergy, how they can boost each other. AI needs massive processing power to learn and make smarter decisions, especially with the ever-growing amounts of data. This is where quantum computers come in. They can provide that unimaginable computational power, allowing AI to analyze patterns and solve problems that are currently beyond its reach. Essentially, quantum computing could turn our smart AI into a super AI. And it works the other way too. Quantum computers are incredibly complex to design, build, and operate. AI can actually help here by optimizing quantum algorithms, managing the quantum hardware, and even making quantum computing more accessible and user-friendly. So it's not about one dominating the other. It's a powerful partnership for the future. In conclusion, ultimately, the real winner in this technological evolution isn't AI or quantum computing individually, but humanity itself. When these two groundbreaking technologies work together, they have the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, accelerate scientific discovery, and truly transform our world for the better. The destiny of our future truly